paper 1, chapter number 3, chemical reactions and equations. And the topic is oxidation and reduction. Consider the chemical reactions given here. First chemical reaction is the reaction of oxidation of magnesium. Second is oxidation of carbon. And in third and fourth reaction, there are two products from one reactant. So if we consider first two reactions, we can see that magnesium react with oxygen to form magnesium oxide, carbon react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Means here the substances which we call as reactant, they accept oxygen and oxidation takes place. So this such type of reaction is called as oxidation reaction. But in reaction 3 and 4, which are given by equation 22 and 23, in these reactions hydrogen is given out from the reactant. In this reaction also hydrogen is given out from the reactant. So such type of reactions are also called as oxidation reaction. Means the reactions in which reactant accept oxygen or hydrogen is given out from reactant, both the reactions are called as oxidation reaction. Now consider the reaction in which acetic acid is formed with the help of ethyl alcohol. Here a substance is there, K2Cl2O7H2SO4. It is acidic potassium dichromate and it makes oxygen available for this reactant which accept this oxygen to form acetic acid. So such substance which brings about an oxidation, because if this substance is absent, there is no oxidation of ethyl alcohol. So the substance which bring about an oxidation reaction, means this substance acidic potassium dichromate, such substance is called as oxidants or oxidizing agents. Consider a reaction. Here hydrogen is passed over a block. Consider a reaction when hydrogen is passed over black copper oxide, then a reddish colored layer of copper is formed, and we can see in this reaction hydrogen is accepted or reactants gain hydrogen. That's why such type of reactions are called as reduction reaction. The chemical reactions in which reactants gain hydrogen are called as reduction reaction. Similarly, the reaction in which reactants loses oxygen. In oxidation reaction, we have seen that oxygen is gained or hydrogen is lost. On the contrary, in these reactions, when reactant gain hydrogen or reactant loses oxygen, both the types of reactions are called as reduction reaction. Now consider the reaction. In this reaction, hydrogen gas is passed over a black copper oxide and a reddish colored layer of copper is formed. Here reactant gain of hydrogen, that's why this type of reaction is called as reduction reaction. If we see this reaction carefully, we observe that in copper oxide, in the compound copper oxide, oxygen is given out and water is formed, and this copper this water in this compound hydrogen, it accept oxygen to form water. Means both oxygen is accepted and hydrogen is also accepted. That's why this type of reaction is called as redox reactions means reduction as well as oxidation, both the reactions occur in this reaction. That's why such type of reactions are called as redox reaction. Next point is corrosion. याला मराठीत क्षरण असे म्हणतात, झीज होणे या अर्थाने. So what is corrosion? Due to various components of atmosphere, oxidation of metals takes place. जर आपण धातू ॲटमॉस्फिअर वातावरणात जर ठेवले तर त्याचा संयोग हा त्या वातावरणातल्या ऑक्सिजनशी येतो आणि त्या धातूचं ऑक्सिडेशन होतं. अँड रिझल्टिंग सबस्टन्स इज कॉल्ड ॲज रस्ट. आपण त्याला गंज असं म्हणतो. देअरफॉर ड्यू टू व्हेरियस कंपोनंट्स ऑफ ॲटमॉस्फिअर ऑक्सिडेशन ऑफ metals takes place consequently and resulting in their damage, and this is called as corrosion. For example, I have just told you iron rust, लोखंडाचा जो गंज आहे, and a reddish colored layer which is collected on the iron. It is the process of damage of that iron, and this is nothing but the corrosion of iron. This process we have to learn, we have to study on next chapter. And the last point is rancidity. याला खवटपणा असे म्हणतो. जेव्हा आपण वापरलेलं आणि ठेवून दिलेलं जुनं लेफ्ट ओव्हर ओल्ड असं कुकिंग ऑइल स्वयंपाकासाठी वापरतो, त्यावेळेला त्या ऑइलमध्ये तितका टेस्टी स्वयंपाक बनत नाही. याला कारण त्या ऑइलची रॅन्सिडिटी, त्याचा असलेला खवटपणा. सो इफ द फूड इज कुक्ड इन सच ऑइल, इट टेस्ट ऑल्सो चेंजेस. व्हेन ऑइल or ghee is left aside for a long time, or fried food is left aside for a long time, it undergoes air oxidation. तेलाचं किंवा तुपाचं ऑक्सिडेशन होतं. तेलाचा किंवा तुपाचा हवेच्या संपर्कात आल्याने ऑक्सिजनशी संयोग होतो आणि ऑक्सिडेशन होतं. अँड सच ऑइल और घी बिकम्स रॅन्साइड, अँड रॅन्सिडिटी इन द फूड स्टफ cooked in oil or ghee is prevented by using antioxidants. हे खवटपणा जो आहे, रॅन्सिडिटी आहे, ती अँटीऑक्सिडंट्स वापरून त्या फूडस्टफ्समध्ये जे पदार्थ, अन्नपदार्थ, तेल किंवा तूप वापरून केलेले आहे त्यांच्यामध्ये अँटीऑक्सिडंट्स वापरून आपल्याला हा खवटपणा रोखता येतो, रॅन्सिडिटी प्रिव्हेंट करता येते. इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ ऑक्सिडेशन रिॲक्शन ऑफ फूडस्टफ कॅन also be slowed down by storing it in airtight container. किंवा जर अँटीऑक्सिडंट वापरता येत नसेल तर अशा तेलाच्या किंवा तुपाच्या पदार्थाला एअरटाईट कंटेनरमध्ये स्टोअर केल्याने सुद्धा त्याचं ऑक्सिडेशन आपल्याला कमी करता येतं, मिनिमाइज करता येतं आणि रॅन्सिडिटी कमी करता येते. आता पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपल्याला पुढच्या प्रकरणाचा अभ्यास करायचा आहे. The chapter chemical reactions and equations is now over. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Friends, if you have any difficulty or suggestions, please write in the comment box, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this video.